Chapter 5. Your role in this divine era. You are not merely a bystander, but a warrior in the spiritual battlefield of the end times. The scriptures call you to awaken to your part in this sacred moment. Your thoughts, words, and actions contribute to the collective fate of humanity. Live intentionally. Seek truth relentlessly. Strengthen your spirit continually. The battles may be fierce, but your perseverance ushers in hope and restoration. Embrace this divine mission with courage. Know that the separation of wheat from chaff will define the future of the earth. Choose the wheat's path, a path of light, faith, justice, and unwavering loyalty to the Creator. If this message has strengthened your spirit and sharpened your faith, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel for more divine truths and spiritual insights. Activate notifications so you never miss a call to courage in these pivotal times. Give this video a like to empower this message to reach others who need to hear it. Please leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences with the end times prophecies. Lastly, share this video widely, spread the light, and help others stand strong as the wheat in this coming era. Together, we will face the days ahead with strength and faith.